Okay, my penny nickel just arrived. Let's see. Make sure this is gonna work. Might do. Yes. Okay. So as soon as I opened the box, you got those details and some stickers. So that's where I ordered it from. Cost me £85. Oh, sweet! This looks so good. Oh, that is my penny. Both. What to do now? Thought it felt kind of heavy when I picked up the box. Ah, sweet. That is wicked. Oh, this could be a bitch to get off. They're both here. Oh yes. Come on. Let's do this. Be a pain in the ass. Again. Alright. Best of both now. I really don't know which ones to get, so just saved up my money. This video is a fail, I'm sorry. These are not customized, just bought as they are. This is sick. Alright, so that's my unboxing video of the penny nickel and the penny. Sorry about the mess and the foul. See you soon. Bye.